Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize more security and privacy. And here go to install apps from external sources. So as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from, I don't know, from my drive. I've got the application saved and I want to install it. So we need to allow Drive to do it. So just tap on Drive and tap on the switcher next to allow app installs. After getting back, you can see that the Drive is now allowed to install some content, but be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and now the Drive is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.